have Mr. Simpson back, I presume.
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Simpson, can you hear me? Mr. Simpson?
I go by Matthew Aaron Simpson, the person that you're speaking on. I don't recognize.
Excuse me, sir, but what in the doohickey are you talking about?
You go by Matthew Simpson, correct?
I go by Matthew Aaron Simpson, but the name that you're speaking on behalf of, I don't recognize.
Name that I'm speaking of on behalf of.
Yes, I'm the executor of the illegis.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The executor of the illegus. Now that is a new one, and I'm sorry to burst your bubble, sir, but none of this word salad is going to help you win this case.
Oh, you are.
I'm the agent majority. I'm not a minor. I'm competent. And I would like to declare that I, Matthew Aaron Simpson, would like to state on oath on the record that I am declaring a national non-citizen.
Well, your status as a citizen is not really central to these events that bring us here. What brings us here is the fact that you owe money to the court for two different matters, one from 2022, the other from 2024, a total $480. I'm going to recall the warrant for your arrest. How did you come to be arrested?
I don't recognize.
Who brought you to the jail?
I don't recognize.
Your Honor, if I may, I'm appointed this morning for arraignment purposes only, and I know that Mr. Simpson does not wish me to represent him, and obviously that's up to him. But I will let the court know that I did check the inmate screen, and it looks like the 44th District Court is the only matter holding him currently. And he also has a warrant out of Grosse Pointe Farms for a traffic arrest, but this is the only thing in Oakland County, it appears.
Thank you. Well, Mr. Simpson, it really doesn't matter what you recognize or don't recognize, because you're dealing with the power of the government, whether you recognize that government or not.
I wonder if this fool recognizes that he is currently incarcerated.
So what we have to do here is figure out how to negotiate a path for you, whether you recognize the power or not. And the fact that you owe this money to the court appears to be the only thing keeping you in jail. It is not the intent of the court to have you be in jail for $480.
I understand that according to...
Where do you stay now, sir?
On Earth.
Really, sir? You stay on Earth? Your dumbass need to stay behind bars.
Where do you stay?
On Earth.
On Earth. You have a particular spot on Earth?
No.
Do you have any spot that you have mail sent where you can get mail that's addressed to you?
I don't recognize.
Simpson, you're not making this easy on yourself. You're creating difficulty for yourself.
I don't have a...
Where do you get your mail?
I don't have a place of residence.
Where do you get your mail?
I don't...
Who feeds you?
Who feeds me?
Yeah, who feeds you? When you're not in jail, how do you eat?
I put food in my mouth.
Okay. Where do you get the food?
Earth.
Do you have employment?
I don't recognize.
Does anybody pay you for working for them?
I don't recognize.
Your Honor, I hope that was a rhetorical question, because no one in their right mind would employ this jackass.
Well, you recognize the fact that you're behind bars now, do you not?
I don't recognize.
reset the show cause. And the bond is $480 cash.
I don't recognize.
You can recognize or not. It doesn't change the fact that you're not going to get out of jail until $480 has been paid on your behalf. Whether you recognize that authority or not, it's happening.
I'm an executor of Matthew.
You can be an
Aaron
executor, or you
Simpson
can be an executor. It doesn't matter. There's $480 needs to be on the table before you're released. We're done.
I would like to put that into my foreign trust.
You can do whatever you like, sir. Have a good day.
Okay. I don't recognize.
I don't either.